Okay, and we're back at it. So I'm just going to pick up where we left off, which is right here. Computer died, sorry about that. So basically, but now that it's charged, I can slow down a wee bit. Hi. So basically, what's happening is we know that all of these add up to 360 degrees. So we can go 12x plus 2x plus 5 plus 17x minus 14 plus 90 equals 360. So that gives us 31x. 90 plus 5 is 95. 95 minus 14 is 81. So we have 31x. Cleo, yes. Equals 279. Divide both sides by 31. And we get x equals 9. So we know that x equals 9. So then we go, okay, well, what is a to d? So a to d is this right here. If we know that x equals 9, plug a 9 in right there. 12 times 9, 108 degrees. BC, this right here. Plug in 9 in right there. We get 18 plus 5, 23 degrees. So we've got 108. This is 23. We know this is 90. So that leaves us with D to C. So we get a 9 right there. 63, 953 minus 14 gives us 139. That looks like a B, not a 13. So 139 degrees. And then we have DBC. So DBC goes from D, it doesn't, it goes from D to B to C. So all that's left out of this is this portion right here, which we know is 139 degrees. So we're going to go 360 minus 139. Or 221. Now notice we could also go 108 plus 90 plus 23. 198 plus 23 would give us 221 as well. So it doesn't matter which way we go, we're still going to get that this is 221 degrees. Based on some requests, I'm going to do a couple more of these ones. Or just one more of these maybe two. Let's do 5 and 10. Okay, so 5, we know this is 67 right here. Okay, we know that this is 90, and we know that this right here is 180, which means that this piece right here has to equal 90. So 90 minus 67, 13. If that's 13, we can use vertical angle theorem to say that that's 13.2. We know that this right here has to equal 180. So we know that this is going to equal 157 degrees. So K to L, 13. LON. Now if we go LON, it's going from here all the way around to here. So just add those up. So it goes L to O to N. So it's 13 plus 157, that's 180, plus 13 is 193. O to M is just the short way right here. It's going to be 103 degrees. K and L. So we're going here, K through N all the way back to L. So instead of adding all those up, which you can, I find it easier. I know that all the way around equals 360 degrees. So I go 360 minus 13, and I get 347 degrees. And then N to L, right here, 90 plus 67, 157 degrees. Now, as promised, we're going to do number 10. So we're looking for X, right? That's ultimately our goal. So we know that C to H, this chord right here, or this radius right here, bisects DHG. So we know that these two are equal right here. We know that G to F is 2x plus 6, which means, and that D to C, 7x minus 1. Well, we just were told that this bisects this, so this has to be 7x minus 1 as well. We know that the three of these together have to add up to 180 degrees. So we go 7x minus 1 plus 7x minus 1 plus 2x plus 6 equals 180. 7 and 7 is 14. 14 and 2 is 16. X. 6 minus 1 is 4. So we're going to subtract 4 from both sides. We get 16x equals 176, which is going to give us x equals 11. Hopefully that helps. It really is just piecing the puzzles together, understanding that the angles add up, and understanding that you know, if it's a right angle, vertical angles still apply. A circle's got to be 360, a semicircle's 180, and it's using all of those as a way to really just kind of build on itself. Hey, bullseye. The cat who scratched up my arm is like now cuddling with me, so that's kind of cool. Okay, anyway, have a good night, y'all. I'm going to head over to the next one and do arc lengths. Yay!